call is now being recorded.
Okay. Good morning. So now we are left with one more topic, that is Liga process. So that is the final topic, small topic. So what is a Liga process? So this is also one of the manufacturing operation in order to create the microstructures. So this is a manufacturing process where microstructures can be made using X-ray lithography. So how we can produce a what do you call manufacturing or product of microstructure through Liga process that we will see. This is the basic diagram of the or setup of the Liga process. So this is nothing. This is a simple procedure. So here there are two scenarios or two types where you can create the final product. So I will explain one by one. So the first thing, this is the first thing, where a particular shape is being created. So with an example we will discuss. Suppose we have to create a structure like this, that is a gear like this. So a gear like this. So what we do is we have to create a separate metal from the PMMA. So what we do is initially we cast a metal. This is the cast metal. So this is a step-by-step procedure. The cast PMMA on a metal. This is the metal, the bottom portion, and top of that the PMMA will be there. So what happens is when the X-ray, when we irradiate or illuminate the X-ray or the X-ray radiation are exposed to the PMMA, what happens is it will dissolve. So we use a mask like this, masking a component to resist the radiation, where we don't want to dissolve the part. So in order to get a final structure like this, what we do is we will create a mask like this. So here you can see the hole where the X-ray can be irradiated. Then applying the mask or the resist, we are applying the resist over here, and the X-ray is being radiated through that. So through this hole, the X-ray will be impinging on the PMMA, and the other part will not be exposed. So these parts, you can see the hole is being created like this. So this is the initial step. So first of all, we cast a PMMA over the metal where the end product is to be made. Then we apply a resist. This is the resist or mask, such that it contains a hole where we have to produce the end product. Then after that, what we do is we radiate the X-ray, or we pass the X-ray through the mask, so that the other portion will be removed. So the required portion will be removed, a hole is being created, and the other portions will not be exposed. So the portion which is not exposed will remain as such, like this, the third step. So now we get a hole like this. Now we want to fill it. So how to fill it? Using electroplating. We have already studied how electroplating is done using the electroplating setup, electrolysis, how to do the electroplating. So like that, we do the electroplating over here, so that the surface will be filled. That is shown in the step 4. So after that, this the other part will be removed and you will get the final structure like this. So this is one of the procedure in Liga process. Now in another case where we want a mold, suppose in order to create a structure like this, we want to have a mold like the pink one with some other material. Suppose we need to have a mold, then we will do like this. That is, first of all, we are creating a the same step. That is, the metal is being here, above which the PMMA is cast. After that, we are applying the mask or the resist is kept over here. Then X-ray is being passed over that. The hole is being created. Electroplating is being done so that the structure will be developed, or the insert for creating the mold is being developed. After that, you can use the depending on the material, you can choose the material and you can create the mold from the insert. Using the insert, you can easily develop the mold. So this is the basic thing, that is a Liga process. So it is a used to manufacture microstructures by how? By deep X-ray lithography. So this can be used from different plastic materials or metals. You can use plastic materials, metals, etc. And the basic 3 steps are: first one, lithography, that is we are radiating with the X-ray, then electroplating, and finally molding. So these are the main steps, the detailed steps. That is we are applying the resist and the X-rays are exposed to it. Remove the exposed portions of the resist. So which all portions are exposed to the X-rays will be removed. After that, electroplating or electrode deposition to fill the openings. And finally, either you can create a mold or you can make the metal part itself. So these are the basic steps involved in Liga process. Now coming to the advantages. So these are the main advantages. First one, capability to make large aspect ratio structures. So large aspect ratio structures can be made using the Liga process. Then to produce microstructural components, mainly it is for microstructural components we are using this. And also regarding the sizes, wide range of part sizes are feasible through this process. And also regarding the tolerance, close tolerances are possible, and also high surface finish. Also the production rate is high. So these are the main advantages of Liga process. Now regarding the disadvantages, these are the disadvantages, main disadvantages. That is, it is expensive because the whole setup contains mainly 2 things. That is we need X-ray, a source for X-rays, and also for a setup is required for electroplating. So these are all expensive. So totally you can say this Liga process is expensive, quite expensive. Now this is this includes electroplating and all. So this is a slow process. The process will be slow. So the production will be slow. And regarding the complexity, it is quite complex. Okay, this is quite complex, not simple, because it involves many other procedures like electroplating, X-ray, lithography, etc. So these are the main disadvantages. And these are the wide range of applications where Liga process is being used. First one, MEMS component. MEMS means nothing, that is shown here. That is a miniaturized mechanical and electromechanical elements that are made using the techniques of microfabrication. So even mechanical or electromechanical elements, anything which is microfabricated. Those things are MEMS, and these components can be made using LIGA process. Then sensors, actuators, sensing devices, micro optical components, micro lenses, mirrors, filters, etc. Everything can be made out of LIGA process. So these are about the LIGA process. So LIGA process is nothing but it is the manufacturing of microstructures by deep X-ray lithography. So this can be made from the plastic materials or metals, anything. And mainly this contains three main processing steps. First one, lithography, then electroplating, and finally molding. So first of all, what we do is we apply a resist and the X-ray is being exposed to through the mask. Then the exposed portion will be removed. After that, electrode deposition or electroplating is being done. And finally, strip the resist for mold or method. So these are about the LIGA process. So we conclude our module 6.